Okay, now, all right, listen up. If you are in financial services and you are tired of being just another name out there, this is for you. Okay, today we're going to be talking about unique value propositions in the financial services industry. This is the backbone of your brand. You need one. If you want to stand out, win clients, and dominate your niche, let's get into it. Okay, so a unique value proposition, or UVP, isn't some fancy marketing term. It's the single most important statement in your entire business. It is what tells your ideal clients why they should choose you over everyone else. It sounds cliche, but it's the most important thing here. So it is the difference between being ignored and being the obvious choice. It is the difference between offering your stuff super cheap and trying to pray for them to buy you, or just selling without caring. So if you get this right, this is a game changer, especially in the financial services, where trust is one of the most valuable things. So why, why a strong UVP is essential for these financial services? Here's the deal. Clients have options, tons of them. If you're not crystal clear about why you're different, you're going to get lost in the noise. Your UVP cuts through that noise. Okay? It shows clients that you understand them, that you get their struggles, and that you have a solution tailored just for them. This isn't about just being cute or clever. It's about being effective. It's about giving them these endless options. It's about being not generic. It's about cutting through that noise that is everywhere and from people that is completely vanilla. Okay, so how do you develop a UVP that actually matters? Okay, how do you actually do that? I mean, it's a pain in the rear end, so but it's possible. Okay, so there is like three simple three-step process that you need to communicate to your client, or you need to actually work from your industry. It's easy to get lost within in between all this information, but the way to address it is, first, you have to add, as we established before in the past lesson, you have to know their pain. What are your clients struggling with? Wealth managers, okay, are they worried about outliving their money? Insurance brokers, do they lose sleep over liability risk? Bankers, bankers that work in marketing, are they looking for speed, simplicity, regulations, legacy? I don't know, to convince their bosses. You have to understand and know their pain. Second, highlight your unique solution. What makes you different? And this is crucial here. So what do you do better than anyone else? Okay, and if you are not doing it better than anyone else, what makes you special? Okay, it's not about being the best. Okay, it's about being the only one who does what you do. Okay, if necessary, you create a category. Now, we will be talking later about this. If you cannot simply invest in the investment process, say that. Okay, if you cannot actually like be the best at something particular, yes, true. I mean, for example, in marketing, I mean, you can be the best at SEO, but you may suck at paid media. Yeah, a client you can do that for a client, but how do you offer that service? I mean, you have to position yourself as the SEO master. Same thing in financial services. Okay, you have your stellar products, your key products. You have like what separates you from all that noise. And if you are running with people that is better than you, within that, feel special. And if you are the best tech driven solution, for example, own it. Own it. Be special. Find that. You have to focus on the benefit and clearly communicate it. This is crucial. Don't tell them what you do. Tell them what they like. People is not looking. People don't care about you. People do not really like you. Exactly. Really. People, they just look for outcome. What is in it from me? What I can get from you. If possible, if they will actually do that by themselves, so they can get it for free. So there is an option here. So, for example, we simplify your investment strategy so you can focus on growing your wealth. It's not about you, okay? It's about them. It's about what they can get from it, you know? And remember, this is people that they're thinking about their money, you know? So I'm going to give you some real examples of UVPs that work in the financial services. And these are some killer examples, in my opinion, in the financial space. Vanguard. The client comes first, not flashy, but it tells you exactly what they're different. They prioritize you. True that offering service is not really offering anything in particular, you know? But they invested so much in creating that category, in creating that position, and actually doing things, owning that space. Betterment, investing made better. They make it easy for an average person to get started, to actually begin. This is not for people that are pros, you know, this is for people that are actually taking their first steps and they own that category. I mean, obviously, they're many other choices, but they are there. You know, Liberty Mutual, only pay for what you need. That's fantastic. They're saying, we'll save you money by not selling you a bunch of crap. You know, this is fantastic. This is from the this is from the messaging standpoint, but this is, after all, this is owning a category. This is owning a space. This is the unique selling proposition, right? So these brands do not try to do everything to everyone. True betterment can be used for a pro, yes, but where is their focus? The people that are taking the first steps, so they know their angle and they own it, and this is the most important thing. So you have to actually do this homework. So here are the key tips for a clear, compelling, and customer-focused UVP. Okay, this is how the UVP stick. Okay, keep it stupid simple. Okay, stupid. If a 10-year-old can understand it, you are doing it wrong. I had a boss in my advertising agency that he told me this about a hashtag, which is pretty much the same. It's like, if you want actually to write a hashtag, will it be something that you will wear in a t-shirt? Think about this. Okay? So focus on the result. What is in it for them? People care about outcomes, not features. So this is what I mentioned before, you know? And 3, be different, not better. So clients do not really care if you are better. They don't, you know? They care if you are different. They care about what makes them feel. Make it clear. Make it reasonable and understandable why you are not like the others, why you are that obvious choice. So now we're going to be talking about the action steps, okay? And you can actually will be able to find a UVP template in my school. So if you're like watching this from YouTube, as everybody says, subscribe. But also you will be finding in the description link a school link to go to my school community free and access more blueprints, more templates, more information. And please join, it's for free. And I am just trying to grow this community with like-minded professionals. So you're more than welcome. Click on the link below and start enjoying all the cool stuff that I prepare for you. So next, time to put on the work. So this is what you need, okay? So you have to download. So we help X achieve Y by C solution, right? This is a very simple thing. So you have to fill this in, but there is also like a process. This is sort of like to guide you. And I would like to actually do this with you in the community. So if you actually can actually follow these instructions and put it in there, that would be amazing. So don't overthink this, just get down, share it, and we'll refine it as we go. But if you're not willing to put this basic work, well, you're even here. You know, we're here to actually grow our stuff, you know, and to grow our community, right? So here's the bottom line. Your UVP is not your foot in the door. It's what makes people stop scrolling, pick up the phone, or click in your link. Okay? Without it, you're just another option. You're just noise. Okay? Win it, and with it, you are the only option. Get this right, and you will see a huge difference of people responding you, on people interacting with you, and people really caring about you, about your business, and about what you offer. That actually helps you build client relationship, what I actually mentioned before, about trust and responsibility and loyalty, attract the clients, polishing the lead quality, which is always a pain in the rear end, and increase revenue, grow your business, which after all, this is what we all want. Okay, share this, please. Just don't sit on this. Share this in the comments, get the feedback, and make it better. Please, I'm here to also work with you. So if there is like a real learning happen, please share it here in the community. And if you haven't yet, join the next lesson where we will dive into the next cool stuff. So let's go. No more excuses, and see you in the community. Thank you so much.